Welcome to Business Surgery, where we dissect and look at client problems and challenges to help them make more money, give them more certainty and a bit more clarity in their lives. Today's problem is, can I put the cost of a family holiday through my business and claim it? It really depends. The first question we've got to ask ourselves is, what's the purpose of the trip? If the trip is predominantly for business reasons, you're meeting clients out there and that's your main primary purpose, you're out there to deliver some work, you can certainly claim the expenses that relate to you. Now, if your family are coming with you and they're actually performing a function, you're paying them perhaps, they're on the payroll, absolutely you can claim for the cost of your partner. Now, as far as the children are concerned, it's not going to be possible unless the cost of the children is quite immaterial, quite small, you're not going to be able to claim for those. So work out a proportion that relates to your children, and that bit will be something that's going to be treated as a benefit in kind on you. If your business trip, quote unquote, is you're there to relax, unwind, and you might just do a bit of scoping, a bit of business inquiries, then the business element is merely incidental, and that can't be claimed. Now, some of you might be thinking, and I've seen that happen, well, let me just put it through and let's see what happens. Now, if you do that, and HMRC, our wonderful friends, find out that's going on, then it's going to cost you a lot financially, both in terms of tax, penalties, and potential interest. So tread very carefully. Folks, I'd love to know, what do you do with your holidays? Do you claim them? Do you ignore them? Drop me a note in the comments box. And by the way, I don't work for the tax office. I hope you found this video useful. Get more content like this, remember to hit that subscribe button. Until next time.